And we are live. Let me clear things out a little. Okay, I don't need that, I don't need that. Okay, got a ping on Cryptoblades. Gotta love that bot. Okay. Oh, thanks for the follow, Greg. Good to have you here. Yeah, in a minute I'll explain what we're doing today. So sit tight. And yeah, cleaning things up a little to focus on some stuff. Okay, gonna spin up front end. Hi, Albert. Alberti? Yeah, Alberti. Hello. Let me spin up the front end and I'll explain what we're doing today and what I've done off stream, so you're up to date with all that stuff that's happening. We'll be working on quests today, some finishing touches, some features that are very welcome to be done. Oh, also, I'll need to enable the contract. So need to do some comments. No, not here. Okay, adding quests, enabling quests. It's enabled. Okay, let me... I need some characters, because character with ID 0 is sometimes problematic. Oh, not enough funds. What? Am I on the correct network? Yeah. So what's up? Hi. We'll do some quests work today. So I'm preparing my development environment to show you guys stuff. Yeah, I had to refresh. Let me get these characters. Okay. And I need... Let's forge 10 weapons. Let's see how's my luck today on development. Because, as you know, I don't have that much luck on production. But maybe I'll get 5-star here. Oh, not even on my local development environment. That's sad. Also, yeah, it's showing up 10 weapons now. Fixed it the other day. I couldn't believe that we are still showing 9 weapons instead of 10 when you're forging 10. But that's fixed now. Okay, do I need anything else? Yeah, I need quests.
That's so considerate of you to ask. Nobody ever asks me that.
Huh, my Google Home just spoke. That's weird. Okay, so let's have some quests. Not that much reputation. Let's add it to the pool. Another one for rare. Yeah, just to have at least some to choose from. But also, I'll add one uncommon, because if a character has reputation level 2, he can also get an uncommon quest. Hi, Say. Yeah, a new nickname. Oh yeah, Say, when will you stream again? A secret Cryptoblades project. Just after I start my stream. Okay, let's see. So, maybe you noticed a new thing that is this counter right here. It's showing when the next free skip reset will happen. So, yeah, basically when you have a quest and you don't want it, you have the ability to skip it, of course, with stamina, but now you get 1 free skip daily. So once a day you can skip a quest for free. That's what I've added off stream. And today we'll work on weekly quest limit. Yeah, and this quest limit not only will like restrain the number of quests you can do in the given week, but also we could add an end of the week reward. Like if you fill enough quests throughout the week, you'll get like some nice reward for that. Yeah, so that's basically what we're doing today. Mainly Solidity stuff. I've begun a work here on this feature. So we are counting the weeks, but I'm not sure if it's working correctly. So yeah, I'll have to check it all on Solidity side and later implement it on the front-end side. Because we have this one counter for daily skips, but later, yeah, the weekly reset for the quests cap, like yeah, quests limit number. Also, I reminded myself I need to set the competitions limit for the weekly quests, and I'm not sure if it's in migration. So let's see, I have my development migration here. Oh yeah, it's here. Yeah, we're giving a limit of 5. And what we need to do is add few functions. For example, when you complete a quest and it's over the limit, you won't be able to do that. Of course, frontend will just block it, so you'll know before the transaction. But we have to secure it on blockchain also. So I'm not sure if these methods work. But the basic idea is if you complete a quest, it's of course completed and it's a new week, So like the first quest you'll do is like first week. First weekly quest completion timestamp is taken. Weekly competitions is set to 0. And you complete a quest, reward it to the player, and increment the weekly competitions. So when the next one comes, it's also checking if there's a new quest week. And if not, you have to be under the limit. Yeah, and it's under, not under or equal to the limit. Yep, and is new quest week. I hope it works fine because yeah, it's using the modulo. Yeah, timestamps are a pain in the ass. But it's pretty similar to the daily quest, daily skip. So, for example, next free skip is a timestamp for, you guessed it, the next free skip reset. And we're using modulo here. So it's basically giving us a timestamp on when the reset will happen. And we're using it on the front end to have this countdown here. So it should be similar to this thing. Yeah, it's a lot of code, not that much. Solidity contracts can't be like too huge. I hope I'm under the limit, or we'll have to like cut some functionality, or maybe not functionality, but optimize it so the contract isn't that huge. Oh yeah. When you're starting, you just see like the loops, and it's like 20 lines at max, and then you have production code, and it composes of so many like files and all that stuff, all the code. What are you learning, Pro Killer? Like you're a beginner, so I hope you're not touching Solidity because it's not a good idea. Hi, Max. Always here, some dedicated follower. Oh yeah, HTML basics, yeah. You need to know the tags. How long did you learn Solidity? So I'm in Solidity business, so to say, for over half a year, and I was learning Solidity even earlier. But like simple quests, the task I'm doing overall today and earlier is my first like big contract change. So the contract from ground up, yeah, it's the first one. Only had some minor changes earlier and code reviews, and was learning in my free time. Yeah, Heinberg, maybe not. I want to work, so... Do I know? No, I don't know this person. I thought it's like a trap when a streamer reads out someone's names and it's like, yeah, I swallow balls. Haha, that's funny. But no, I don't know this person. It's my favorite programming language. I don't play favorites. Like the most used one in my case is JavaScript or TypeScript. Yeah, I like Solidity. It's like the new stuff, so it's pretty interesting. But yeah, earlier my favorite was Java. I was a backend developer, so Java, yeah. Oh, nice. I'll check it out after the stream. But yeah, I really liked Java when I was using it on a daily basis. I liked reading about it, checking all the stuff out, all the new stuff, new ways to do stuff. Yeah, but it's TypeScript frontend and Solidity nowadays, so that's that. So the isNewQuests week, so it's an internal view function, should tell us if it's a new quest week. So I hope the modulo, if I understand it correctly, is cutting the timestamp into like weeks, or so to say, and checking if now it's the new week. Yeah, we'll have to test it because I'm not sure. Okay, I want to display the result of this view method. So let me compile the contract and upgrade it. Yeah, I don't actually know her, but yeah, there's a lot of great teachers out there. So yeah, if you're starting out, check out like the main page of Udemy, check for your technology and get the most popular course. Like, yeah, it's a good idea to start. It's a good place to start. Okay, let me find the command. Oh, not here. I like to have it separate. And it's number 150. It will also tell us if we're under the size limit, contract size limit. Because if you don't know, Solidity contracts have like the limit of size, so it's 24 kilobytes, and you cannot deploy like larger contracts. So yeah, another problem with Solidity blockchain development, Web3 and all that stuff. I hope I can squeeze the weekly quest part in. In a second, I'll check if what's the size of the contract already. I have a command here, and it's simple quests. Hmm, 19. That's nice. Yeah, it was cut by a lot during the review, remarks and all that stuff. Okay, so I should have this available on frontend. Hi Pika! Welcome. So let's display the next weekly quest competition. Yeah, thanks Copilot. Why is it? Oh yeah, it's probably because the name of the method is the same. Shouldn't matter. Okay, let's display it somewhere, so it doesn't matter actually where. I just want to see the timestamp. Okay, let me add all that stuff. Oop, why is my cursor? Yeah, okay. That's how we'll name the value here. Yeah, it can be time as well, for the sake of consistency. Okay, and it will be similar to next week skip time, because it will essentially take the timestamp, convert it to human readable format and display it. Oh, also I need the interval. Yeah, let's just copy it. Just like that. What was the name? This being... and the method is named like that. So let's put it in the interface and into mappings. Okay, and let's use it. Okay, I need to rename the interval. Okay, passing here the timestamp, and we should get hours, minutes, and seconds. Yeah, I'll need days. One thing at a time. I will log the timestamp, or like converted timestamp. Oh no, next skip time. That. Oh, a new announcement. Age of Tanks. Gonna check it out. Okay, it compiled. So we should be able to see something. Yeah, okay, it's the same. I'll add days as well and check if I reference everything correctly. I have to rework my method here to include days. Oh, damn it. I copy pasted it from the internet, so I don't remember how to do days. Yeah, just. And I know it had days, but I didn't need it, so I just deleted it. Oh, it's here, I think. It's, yeah, pretty similar. Let's see. So it uses the total. Yeah, so it's milliseconds, so into seconds, minutes, hours, and days. Hope so. Get time remaining. Not here, but here. And it should be similar to this one for now. Also, regarding the compilation problems I had earlier, I noticed that I'm the only one, so it's probably something with my IDE or system, whatever. Like JavaScript runs out of memory here sometimes. So that's why I'm restarting the build completely. I'll look into it today, so it won't be that painful for me and to watch. Okay, not what I wanted, but yeah, let me just think a little. It should be like this thing probably, but times 24. And 7? I'm not sure. No. Oh, damn it. I hate working with dates, and oh, I struggle out. days. Let's just like not think about it. Let's just display it. Maybe it will work like that. I'm not really sure how Solidity works under the hood with all the dates and stuff. So that's why I'm struggling a little. Is it possible that it's 0? I think not. Maybe I'm overthinking it. I probably am. You can probably cast it into the date and just get the days from there. But I'm curious. Oh, yeah, it's broke. That's nice. Calculate days between timestamps. Yeah, so it's using this formula that we are using. So maybe on the Solidity side I have an error or something like that. Yeah. We'll have to struggle through. Also, why is everything red? Oh, damn it. I went overboard with that. Also, it should be seeing. Oh, also I'm wondering if it will be broke or not when I complete the quest. Will it show up as this week's completions? Sorry. Is this public? If it is, I can check out the total completions by the character. Yeah, it's public. Or not by character, but by wallet. Nice loot. Quests, weekly completions, and I'm pasting the address for the user that completed it. It's 1. Yeah, so that counted correctly. Let's do a sanity check for the user that didn't complete it. Oh, why is it the same? What? Didn't I copy it? Like that. Yeah, it's 0. So at least it's counting them correctly. We can even try to hit the limit and see if we have an answer. Like the error message that too many weekly completions happened. I set it to 5, I guess. And weekly completions are by account. So if you have multiple characters, the weekly completions limit will like be wallet wise. Oops, didn't want to do that. Also, I probably add a flag to the Solidity for enabling or disabling this feature, because I'm not sure if it's that intended to have it on board. But in my opinion, it's nice to have like a goal of doing set number of quests in a week and get a reward at the end. I'm almost out of my 1-star swords. Oh, damn it. I have to do something about that. Because it's showing completed for a second after the transaction. And you can click it and like have had failed transactions. So, yeah. Oh, the small stuff. It's probably the matter of having loading still on the when the model is open, and after it closes, it should change. Like refresh the data. Yeah, the limit is on completions, so submission can still happen. So you can have a submitted quest that is ready to be completed, but still, if you're over the limit, you won't be able to complete it. That's the idea. But I don't have any numbers for you guys, so yeah, not telling everything about this. Like, yeah, maybe it won't happen, or maybe the limit will be like high value. So either you can complete as many quests as you want, or like have a goal to complete a lot of them to get the reward. I need 1-star swords. Also, what are we on? Oh, damn it. Still one. I must have put a typo somewhere there. So incomplete quest. Yeah, it's at equals. Maybe something's wrong with is new quest week method. Yeah, it's this one. E at the end. Yeah. Why am I streaming dates? I'm streaming the thing that bothers me a lot. I don't like working with timestamp in Solidity or on frontend. But that's okay. So first weekly quest completion. I just want, maybe I should like divide it by 1 week. Compare dates inside the. Oh yeah, it should be simple. Yeah, it should be. I do appreciate the weeks, days, and all that stuff in Solidity. You can just, tell how many weeks. Not bother with calculating it or using some framework. Okay, so this method should be way simpler. And I need to check the other one. So this. And it should be yeah, this one I'm not sure because it should point to the date, like general date, not based on user's timestamp. So like next reskip is showing the hour that it will, or it's time left. Yeah, it's time left. So milliseconds left for the particular day. And I did my next weekly quest completions limit pretty similar to this one. Yeah, okay, let's compile in the meantime and upgrade the contract. Yeah, so this should be correct. Maybe I shouldn't. Wait, no, it's yeah, it's giving us the date. So we should calculate it from now to the date. Is it possible that the week ends in 1 day and 9 hours. It is actually. That's weird. Huh. Okay, let's see if it actually counts the number of completions before submitting all the sorts I have. Oh, transaction failed. Yeah, it's local. See. Yeah, it's counting them. Let's try to hit the limit. So 5 quests. Yeah, on 4 it should still allow us to complete a quest. Also, I hope I won't lock myself, but I think I will. On this account. Yeah, it's not a problem, I can just use the other one. Or like redeploy the contract for simple quests. You too? Oh yeah, complete it first. Also, I have some ideas on how we can optimize like contract size or gas fees in this case. Like basically when you're a developer, you try to have every calculations and all that stuff in the backend, and yeah, on the front end just get the data, maybe format it a little and show it. But when you're working with Solidity and you can like calculate timestamps and everything on front end, it's always better because yeah, it's messy, but you can save on contract size and gas fees, all that stuff. Like the idea of chances for the quest tiers. It was tier chances. Yeah, and it's calculated like by default you have 100% chance of common, and when you change the numbers on the next values, so rare, uncommon or something, you're just like subtracting it from the common pool. So but essentially that way you have just 4 variables instead of 5, like 5 levels. Yeah, you have chances 3, 2, 1 and 0, and if not, if in any of this, in any of that, you can, yeah, you'll just take common. And on the front end, it looks like disgusting. Yeah, like that. So it's basically a getter for the tier chances. And setter is pretty similar because yeah, it's taking 100 and calculating like the remains for the uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary. Okay, how are we on the limit? 3. Just want to hit it and see if it's working correctly. Okay. So this time I still want to be able to complete this quest. But after that, we are hitting the limit. So we won't be able to complete the next one. Until the new week starts. Okay, we have 5. So the next transaction should fail. Also, yeah, of course, I'll do like disabling the buttons and all that stuff. Do not have people waste gas or yeah, see the exceptions. Oh, we rolled the uncommon quest. So what were the chances for that? Because we hit the reputation level 2. %. Okay, the first transaction is just rolling. Yeah. And let's see if the error is correct. Never do it on production. Do not change the gas here when the exception is about to throw. Oh, come on. Revert, too many weekly completions. Yep. Okay. So is new quest week works fine. Like for sure, it's pretty basic. Okay, but is the next weekly quest completion limit reset? Returning the correct value. Yeah, it should. It adds like 1 week to the timestamp of today and subtracts only the weeks. So it's taking like it's cutting all the milliseconds that compose of like days and hours and minutes, and it's just leaving the week. Yeah, and it's subtracting this value from now plus 1 week. should be all right. Okay, let's just show it in the new line, just for the sake of like having it tidy. And I want to show the limit to the front end. And that's the idea. Basically, we would have like a progress bar that you can fill, and at the end there's a reward that you won't know what will be there, I think, or maybe like a basic idea what what can be there. Yeah, so let's just like do it in the new line. Doesn't matter how. Oh my. HTML lessons, I need to take them. Okay, I can get a div here. And I probably do like display flex. Flex column. And it should show up only if there are characters loaded. Oh, so I can just put it into this thing. Yeah, quest container. Yeah, for sure. Okay, maybe I don't need the div around it. Okay, let's see how it looks like. And let's focus on the progress bar. So on the front end, we'll need to read the variable that sets the number, sets the limit. So we could use it as like a max value, and we need to check what's the wallet current completions, weekly completions. Oh, damn it. Okay, whatever. Let's take a progress bar from somewhere. Progress. Where did I use it earlier? Oh, here, for example. Okay, if we don't need that. Reputation progress, CSS, we don't need that. Okay, we'll have to set the max value and the actual value. What? Why is my Google Home speaking? I have trouble spelling completions. I don't know why. Oh, then. Let me check. English lessons with Chriserus. Oh yeah, there's an E. My bad. Okay, so let's get the methods rolling. We have two views, or one view and one variable that we want to read. So, which one do I need to read? I need to read this one, weekly completions limit. Get var. Yep. Okay, let me explain what I've done here. So basically, weekly completions limit is a variable on the contract. So it's set on the migration. So for example, here we can see that I'm using, oh yeah, also I don't need methods. Oh, sorry, someone's at the door. Be right back. And I'm back. Yeah, so we are reading the variable to use it to get the actual value, so 5 in this example. Let me check something. I want to see if, yeah, so it's a method. Okay, so that was correct. Yep. Get var doesn't exist. Okay. Oh, only get vars. Wait, maybe we don't need nft-game. Oh yeah, we don't need a getter for that because it's public. So it's vars. Yeah. Okay, and we can also prepare a method for getting the actual current users completions. Yeah, that's the idea. Okay, so if it's public, then it's easy. Yep, it is. And it will take in the address. Wallet address. Yep, okay. Now we can use both of these methods in our view file. Okay, remember to place it in the map actions. Okay, we have that ready, and let's see. Okay, so max number I can read only once. Oh, also I need the variables here. So max weekly competitions and completions, sorry, and current weekly completions. This weekly max weekly completions. Okay, and get weekly completions I should have in refresh data. And let's log these values immediately. Okay, let's test it out. We should see the progress bar that's filled for this wallet. Or not. I remembered something. Yeah, in refresh data, we need to pass the wallet address. Or maybe let's not pass it, but just use the current wallet. Yeah, I don't need that parameter. Sorry, checking the chats. Okay, let's see. And we don't see the bar. Yeah, maybe it's not wide enough. Like by default. Okay, yeah, it's giving us undefined. Wondering why. Probably something to do with. Oh yeah, the message sender is incorrect. And also, why is the current saying that we have that much completed? Yeah, okay, a few things. First up, the progress bar. I guess it's like not showing up because it's the like 0% width or something like that. Yeah, see, it's here. So let's say width 100%. Yeah, okay, but value. Yeah, value is incorrect. And value max is also incorrect. Oh, why is it like that? Wait. Okay. That's weird. Okay. Let's see. So it should be a call and a call. Let's just copy it. Oh, I used first weekly quest completion by mistake. I wanted to see weekly completions because we got the timestamp of first completion in a week. So yeah. Let's rerun and also take a look at which points are called when. Nice, the max undefined. Okay, but current is alright. That's good. Let's also set the width to 100%. No, whatever. For now. Why is the max not loading? Probably properly. Let's do it after refresh quest data. Okay, let's refresh. Why is the maximum undefined? Get weekly completions limit. Yep. Console logs for the win. Okay. Let's see if it loads correctly. Okay, there's something wrong. It's not even logging this one. I just want to see the logs that it's fetching the data from blockchain. Maybe I made it private, but I don't think I did. Yeah, it's public. Oh. For whatever reason, state's default account is null in the moment of fetching the data. Okay, let's just not care and place it with the other one. See, console logs, save the day. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's showing. Let's switch the account to the one that I think didn't complete any quest. Come on, load already. Oh, it's not connected. It is. Maybe I don't have characters. That's probably it. Yeah, I need to transfer some skill. Yeah. Give me skill. Where's my skill at? Confirmed. Let's recruit someone. Okay, we have character ready. And yeah, 0. Okay. So let's take on a quest. And let's complete it. Oh, I have just one sword. Yeah, that's right, the one from the recruitment. Okay, let's see. I click on complete, and after this action we should see 1/5 of the progress on the bar. Ta-da! Yay, it's working. Of course, it's not the desired design. It looks like shit, but yeah, it's a step towards it. Yeah, into a nice direction. So, okay, what do I want to do now? I have all the data here. Oh, for example, I can disable the quest complete button when we are at the limit. So let's switch back to the account with 5 quest completions. And that's weird. Message sender is like non-existent at this stage. And that's why it... Maybe I can do something about it. We'll see. Oh, come on. Load already. Okay. So I have my account with 5 quests complete. So I'll basically disable the button. So I need to find the button. Complete quest. And it's here in quest details. And quest details is in quests. Yep. And let's say I add is limit reached variable that will compare the quest completed with max number of allowed completions. Yeah, let's say is limit reached. Okay, and let's add it as prop. Boolean, by default it can be false. Where's the complete button? Here it is. And let's add disabled if is limit reached. Should work, just like that. Okay, let's see if it's disabled. Yep. And we can like display a tooltip. Yeah, let's do a hint, just like we did here. So is limit reached? If is limit reached? Give me a moment, I have to look into something. JavaScript memory. Let's see if the tooltip is there. Yes. Quest completion limit reached. Weekly. Oh yeah, weekly. That should be there. Yeah, okay, the proof of concept works. So I'll probably check all the changes I've made and commit stuff. We don't need that anymore. And we can do it in line. Oh yeah, so many changes because of the indentation. That's fine. Oh yeah, and I can change the translation there. Just to have it separate. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have the translation, but I didn't change the key. console logs. Oh, I could also format the days in my method. It's essentially adding a 0 at the end or at the beginning when it's only 1 digit hour or day in this example. And it needs to be let. Oh, and we don't need that. We're only checking something. Okay, so we've added a limit in this commit. Next up, probably we'll add some like reward claiming or something. I don't have an idea what it can look like yet. Oh, also, I want to add weekly limit, like modification to the admin panel, so it can be changed at any time. Okay, that's functional. Yeah, okay. I think we'll wrap things up for the day. Because yeah, we've done a nice chunk of work on both Solidity and frontend, so that's good. I want to test something, so just give me a moment. Streaming tools inside Stream Manager. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, we'll do the first raid because yeah, we were raided. Yes, exactly, Pika. We were raided on the Monday, I think, by Clark, and I see he's online. So yeah, he'll probably be happy with 4 of you guys and me. So let's check for a second what he's up to. I think he's deploying some contracts to the chain that I haven't worked with earlier. So might be interesting. So thank you again, guys, for watching. Yeah, and see you at Clark's stream for a second. Ready to rate in 9 seconds. Oh yeah, you have to confirm. Thanks, guys, all 4 of you. See ya.